our go-to budget-friendly option that has everything you need, including another wicked sci-fi-like design around back. It makes using the Samsung S26 feel like activating Jarvis or something. The Spigen Ultra Hybrid case has been a channel favorite for years. Reliable, protective, and just looks good. Adding in a MagSafe ring for easy wireless charging, clicky buttons, combined with the all rubber shell that keeps your most important assets covered when you inevitably do this. Now, these air bubbles on the corners have probably saved countless phones, so they haven't changed what isn't broken, passing our scientific drop test without any issues. And while the beauty of a glossy finish is that it slides in and out of pockets without an issue, it's not my favorite case to grip onto, especially if you also have dry ass fingers like I do, as it lacks any additional texture to feel up on the sides. Otherwise, it's a trustworthy case that won't break the bank, with plenty strong magnets that can withstand holding such a large screen, and plenty of space around the cutouts for even the thickest of cables. Pair that with the lanyard hole cutout to keep the phone attached to you at all times, and you'll have one less reason not to just doom scroll all day long.